So people can survive without a surgery. That is a famous quote. Like learning, they can survive without a food. Why does a profession so noble earn so meager? And what is the incentive for educated people to take up farming as a profession if it pays so less?
You see, this is the reason that 6 years back, 5 years back, the Prime Minister gave this call for doubling farmer
The,
income.
yes, sir.
Before that, we have been chasing the target of increasing food production.
Yes,
Sometime doubling food production, sometime food grain production, sometime
yes,
that we will have 4% growth rate in agriculture. But
yes,
Prime Minister could understand the real problem of agriculture, that when we had a large scarcity of food, when we have large shortage of food, the approach to change the growth rate in production was right approach, and
yes,
to presume that when growth in production will happen, the growth in farm income will also follow. But
yes,
that growth in farm income, though it has been following the growth in production, but that has been very, very slow. And if
yes,
we really want to double it, according to the what was ongoing rate of growth, it will
yes,
take maybe more than 20 years. And
yes,
because of that, large gap between income of farmer and non-farmer will appear, and it will get further widened.
yes,
So in case of India, it is not that income of the farmers have not been increasing, but they have been increasing, number one, at a low rate, around
yes,
3%. And secondly, they have not been keeping pace with growth in income in non-agriculture sector.
yes,
So
indeed.
because of that, these disparities have been rising. That
Yes,
income has not been adequate to meet a different type of demand of the farmers. You know,
yes,
in any society, the pressure on consumption build up according to how we are developing. The
yes,
way economy is developing, we all know that more expenditure on education, more expenditure on health, more expenditure on housing. These are the
yes,
kind of things which are needed. So
yes,
income in agriculture has not increased in accordance with or to keep pace with growth in these kind of expenditures.
yes,
So as
yes.
a result, you find in many places that farmers are meeting their consumption expenditure by taking more and more loans,
Loans,
and
yes.
they are coming more and more under some sort of debt.
That,
So this again require a multi-pronged strategy. One
yes,
is that how we can make agriculture much more paying than what it has
yes,
currently paying.
yes,
Second is addressing the denominator, that if the total income get divided by, say, X number of people, and
yes,
if you reduce that X by 20%, then also income per farmer increase by 20%.
yes,
So
yes,
working on both, what was your first question? Which I counted that in
yes.
fact we need to move more and more farmers out of
True.
farming, so that the available income is distributed among fewer and fewer farmers.
Yes,
So
yes,
we require a sort of multi-pronged strategy in agriculture,
yes,
and there is still a lot of scope to increase income in agriculture. It's not that it is completely gone. We will come to it subsequently, that how it is possible. So
yes,
we
yes,
need to work at several fronts to see to
yes,
it that the income earned by a farmer is at reasonable level. It
yes,
keep pace with what is the growth rate in income elsewhere in non-agriculture sector, in urban sector, and also the growth rate is adequate to keep pace with what is the
yes.
growth rate in genuine kind of expenditure.